And a rainy day in London, and today I'm actually on my way to Evliss laser clinic in Harley Street, and today I'm gonna try a procedure for my my abdominal, my thighs, my skin texture, and as well my cellulite. What is AWT? It's acoustic wave therapy. So basically what it does, it's help your body to get rid of the fat storage, to tighten the skin, the saggy skin, to stimulate as well collagen, and helps with stretch marks as well. So all this uneven skin that you have, you know, like it's a little bit not tighten your skin, especially like me. When you reach certain age, you kind of wanted to do something extra, so that is perfect like a procedure for you. So let's see what they have for me. Okay, finished off my procedure. It's raining now, and I just show you the procedure, like just a quick glance what it's actually involved. The feeling is really interesting. So you have a little massage in the beginning, and then you have the actual working bits, which provides the deeper suction into the body and stimulate the collagen, as you can see. And it's a little bit noisy as well, by the way, but I feel my skin is not red at all, so it's all depends on the people really. And yeah, that's my first session, so let's see it in the next one.